Hi guys, so it's your girl Eniade.
Ladies and gents, this is the moment you've waited for.
And this is day 2 in the US. Presently I'm in Philadelphia. I'm heading towards New York. It takes like 2 hours to get there. So I'm pretty much excited. I want you guys to enjoy the whole experience, the whole video, places that I've been to, but it's been a while because the last time I've been here was 2019, so it's something new for me. So I want you guys to just enjoy it. Get ready, it's going to be a little Asians. And don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to this YouTube channel, join this family. It's an amazing one. Get ready, enjoy the whole video because I definitely am enjoying the video too. Guys, I'm so tired. Still on the road, and I think we'll be there in like some minutes time though. But it's like I'm going to sleep for some while. When I get there, I'll show you the full experience. Let's go.
Finally, we're in New York and it was really a sunny day. Everywhere was given and I had to take some nice pictures and videos in all the places I could take. Then we headed to One World Observatory, which is located in New York. All informations that you do need will be in the description below, and do enjoy. So we're at now to get food. We got this yummy food. Hope our tummy doesn't hurt. Then we're going straight to Brooklyn Bridge. One of the key destinations to be in New York is Brooklyn Bridge. How would you be in New York and not go to Brooklyn Bridge? Like, how? But anyways, we had to go there.
So we're heading to Times Square.
And we had to use the train. I had my metro card for the train, and finally the train was here. Movement. So finally we're here. Do enjoy this part.
Should be not this kind of things where they make man see ya. And me I understand, so your dad know like me. And if not the price be that, I like to see ya. I never tried it for nothing. This love will making me the dark man shit. Without the way that you want, make me with this all thing come. I never tried it, oh baby. This love will making me the starting. No, I'm not telling me what's up in God. I'm not make me that way. I'm not girl, I wanna make you. Baby, I feel like making you. Oh baby, oh no. See all the little good things you do, they make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come. I'ma have to make me there. Girl, I'ma make you. Oh no, I'ma make you. Oh no, I'ma have to make me there. Oh no, girl, I'ma make you. Oh no, I'ma make you. Pull over, come on, pull over. Should be not this kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I understand, so your dad know like me. See me, I want make you know, say me there for you, cara. And if not the price be that, I feel like to see ya. I never tried it for nothing. This love will making me the dark man shit. It's not the way that you want, man, tell me with this all thing, all big gone. I never tried it, oh baby. This love will making me the starting. No, I'm gonna tell me what's up in God. I'm gonna have to make me there, baby. I'm gonna get I wanna make you. Baby, I feel like making you. Oh baby, oh no. This kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I understand, so your dad know like me. See me, I want make you know, say me there for you, cara. And if not the price be that, I feel like to see ya. I never tried it for nothing. This love will making me the dark man shit.